Hey guys, like to XD with Dr. Raptor.
Hey guys, and today we're gonna play a cool game. So start a server. Which you? Deathmatch, one Wi-Fi, host. Let me just help you.
I know how.
The map is alright. Dude, wait!
Hi.
This map is cool. Yeah, done.
Done.
Ready.
So I'm gonna kick your ass.
Dude, don't say that. Start.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready.
Ready. So, no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Rock and roll, soldier.
Rock and roll, soldier.
Dude, where are you?
I'm
No time for hide and seek.
I know, I'm not dumb.
Where are you? At the wooden house.
Yes.
Look at my wall.
I'm not at wooden house.
Did you just say in the wooden house? I can see you.
I'm at the wooden house. I'm not. Hey, dude, you killed me.
Noob. I'm not a noob. I'm a bro.
You are a noob. Your name is
Because
noob.
if you hear some meowing, just our cat.
Yeah.
And if you sorry guys, we have to talk loud because it's raining outside.
Yeah.
Not that loud. I'm at the wooden house.
Really, dude. Wait. I just want to get my gun. I don't make swears.
Don't shoot me.
Are you dead?
Sucker.
Your name is Noob.
Sorry. I didn't change it.
Holy schmoly, this gun is good.
I'm going backwards. Backwards day.
This is not time for hide and seek. I don't make promises. I make pizzas. Noob! I want to hit you with a gun. Not you.
I got your laser gun. I got your laser gun.
No.
I'm at the stone house.
I have a flamethrower.
I'm at the stone house. Come and get me if you can, house.
I'm going slow. I'm slow. Try to shoot me if you can. What?
That's what you get.
For what?
For killing me.
I'm gonna TP, dude.
You can't.
Can.
You can.
If I want to. Dude,
Sorry,
I
guys. It's really raining right now.
Yeah!
Yep, you can hear that.
Yeah, bud. You don't need to. I got your laser gun.
No!
I got your laser gun.
Give me back my laser gun.
You can have the frame slower, but I have a dumb gun. I don't think. Oh, dude. Guys, you can hear how it's raining. It's a storm out there, dude.
You suck. Dude, I'm losing really bad.
Yep. Not better than me.
Damn it! You just said you're losing really bad.
I said not better than me.
No.
Why?
Dude,
Why did you go out?
just get out.
Hey.
It's just
So
Let's
thank you guys
go.
for watching.
hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys next time.
Bye.
Peace.